Ready for your phonics lesson for today? So we have an essential question, and today's question is, what is a blend? We've talked about blends a lot, and we know that a blend is two consonants together that make their own sounds. Like in the word blend, we know blend starts with B and an L, and you can hear both sounds, bl, end. We've talked about consonants, consonant blends coming at the beginning of words, but they can also come at the end. This is where we tend to have trouble in our reading. We might be reading along and we will skip one of the letters at the ending blends. So remember, a blend can come at the beginning or end of a word. Here's just a little tune. It says, sometimes at the end there is a blend. You mut look closely. Oh wait, mut? Let me think about that for a minute. Sometimes at the end there is a blend. I better look carefully at that word because mut did not sound right. So let me look carefully. Two consonants. Look, there's a blend at the end of that word. If I go too fast, I end up saying a word that doesn't make any sense. So I have to blend through that whole word, looking for some of those blends that come at the end. You must look closely. I noticed that closely had a blend at the beginning, but I'm looking at this and I'm seeing blends everywhere. And there's a blend right there. Two consonants, they make their own sound. Blend, two consonants, they make their own sound. I have a poem here that you're going to be working on. And you'll have a slide coming up, or maybe I guess the slide came first. You've probably read it. Now I want you to go back, and your job is to look for blends. You can look for blends that come at the beginning, but really be mindful of the blends that come at the end. I'm not going to read it to you. This is one you can read yourself. Read it, look for those blends. You might want to highlight it with a yellow pen. Read it to someone else. And remember, blends can come at the beginning or the end. Have a good day.